Vizlib's integrated AI, powered by Lineos from Insight Software, is a powerful tool that provides a simple way to uncover hidden insights within your Qlik visualizations and underlying data without needing to know exactly what you're looking for ahead of time. Let's take a look. We begin by opening Lineos from the bottom right of the window, and we're asked to select a chart to begin our analysis. Once we've selected our sales by salesperson chart, we see options to run analysis on the data, compare with another chart, or look for hidden insights from data not included in the chart. We also see questions are automatically generated that you might want to explore further within this data set. These aren't random questions either. They're based on patterns and trends it spots in your actual data. This is helpful because sometimes you don't know what questions to ask until you see what's possible. Clicking on any of these questions triggers a targeted analysis of the related data, surfacing key insights and shortening the cycle of going from data to in-depth analysis. But Vizlib's AI capabilities go much further than this. You also have the ability to compare multiple charts. Here, we pick our sales chart and compare it with our net income chart and see AI getting to work analyzing both data sets together. It's finding connections between your sales data and net income data that might not be obvious when you're looking at them separately. The analysis includes a summary of the data, looks for anomalies within the data, pulls out key hidden insights that might be overlooked with traditional analysis, and provides a comparative summary of the data, indicating net income closely follows sales trends with peak seasonality in May and November. Taking this a step further, Hidden Insights can look at data that is not within your selected chart, helping expose the power of gray in your Qlik data. As we know, in Qlik, data selection follows a color-coded system, with selected values being green, related values white, alternative values you could use being light gray, and values completely excluded by your current selection being dark gray. While most analysis focuses on the green and white values within your selection, valuable patterns often hide in what's been filtered out. Hidden Insights automatically analyzes these light and dark gray values to surface unexpected correlations and gaps that reveal critical business context you might otherwise miss. Let's see how it works. After we've selected a specific region, we can open up Lineos, select our sales by salesperson chart, and choose the Hidden Insights option in the AI window. Hidden Insights surfaces the dimensional data included in the chart, allowing you to choose which dimension to apply Hidden Insights analysis to. After choosing region, we see a new chart showing sales by salespersons in regions not included within the original selection. The AI window is also dynamic, allowing you to view the chart for excluded data along with a side-by-side comparison with the original sales by salesperson chart if needed. We also see additional contextual insights in the excluded data, comparing it to our original data set, looking for trends, patterns, anomalies, and hidden insights, all from data not included in the original sales by salesperson chart. And, as before, recommended follow-up questions are provided to help you explore your excluded data set further, enabling deeper analysis and continuing the conversation seamlessly within the Lineos AI window. And with this, you've just seen Vizlib's powerful AI capabilities and how Hidden Insights helps users uncover patterns, contexts, and relationships in their data that would otherwise remain unseen. Learn more by visiting insightsoftware.com.